If you love dim sum or Chinese food in general, then you already know about garlic chili oil. Just like ketchup with fries, you have to have it with your dim sum or your fried rice. Now the stuff you get at the supermarket is nowhere near as good as what you can make at home. Let me show you how to make this. No surprises here, but this is very garlic heavy, so we'll be using 2 full heads of garlic. Now to make it easy, you can peel them and then put them in a blender to form a garlic paste. Or like myself here, you can cut them in very fine pieces. The tiny chunks of garlic add quite a bit of texture to whatever food you add it to. With that being said, it is quite a lot of chopping you have to do, so if you want to make it easy, feel free to add it all to a blender. The same principle applies for the Thai chilies. You can cut them very fine or put them in the blender. Again, the texture is really what gives this chili oil that specialty, but the choice is entirely up to you. Either finely slice the chilies or put them in the blender and turn them into a paste. From here on out, the recipe is really easy. Just add half your oil into a heavy bottom pan, then add your garlic. Your heat should be on low medium, no more than medium. What you're looking to do is to infuse the oil, not fry your garlic. So what we're going to do is cook the garlic with the oil. Stir frequently and let that cook for 30 minutes. Now add in your star aniseed and your cinnamon stick. These are optional, but they do provide a really nice aroma to your chili oil. Keep an eye on the flame to make sure that everything stays on a simmer and doesn't fry. Let that cook for 10 minutes and start adding your freshly cut chilies. Stirring frequently, let that cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. The longer you cook it, the more infused your oil will become. But another 10 to 15 minutes will be plenty. Add in 1 tablespoon of salt and stir well. We are reaching the final stage of the recipe. Increase your flame to medium-high so you have a violent simmer, and then add in your chili and fry for no more than a minute, stirring at the same time. Then lower the heat and let that cook for another 5 minutes. Now the chili oil is done. As you can tell, the ingredients still remain intact. They haven't got burnt or lost their color. Now this step is optional, but I highly recommend it. Add a tablespoon of dark soy sauce and light soy sauce. Give your oil a little stir and let that cook for another 5 minutes. As you can tell, it's quite a common theme of this recipe. It is not a difficult one, it is just the cooking time is relatively long, but definitely worth the effort. Now you can be like myself and be super messy and try to put everything into a jar using a ladle, or come to your senses and put your oil first into a jug and pour into a jar, or even better yet, use a funnel, my friends. And there you have it, super tasty, spicy, very aromatic garlic chili oil. Way better than any chili oil you can buy from the shops, and enhances any dish from omelette to simple stir fries to fried rice to pizzas. It really goes well with anything. Don't forget to subscribe, we have way more recipes coming for you. Thank you for watching. This was my garlic chili oil recipe.